Hi, boys and girls. So, for today's assignment for writing, you boys and girls are going to think about what you consider to be beautiful. Okay, boys and girls, and in your opinion, what do you think is beautiful and why? So, let's talk about what is beauty. Everyone will actually get this Google slide, and for parents who are watching this video as well, it is very similar to PowerPoint just on Google. And boys and girls, everyone will be getting the same files. So you boys and girls all will be able to edit it at the same time. Just please be mindful and be honest. Don't go on anyone else's slide. Just stay to your own, please. Okay, friends? So really quickly, what is beauty? Okay, boys and girls, we will be exploring the character trait beauty. Beauty is anything that's around you. Beauty is something that you can find around any of us, and it's your opinion on what you think is beautiful. You can think items are beautiful. You can also think people are beautiful, boys and girls, not only physically, that's called a physical trait, what is on the outside, but also their personality traits, boys and girls, or what's on the inside of them. So, beauty on the inside could be like kindness, courage. So, what I want you boys and girls to do for the appreciation of beauty assignment is I want you to try to find something that you feel like is beautiful. The directions are going to be on slide 3. Boys and girls, here's what you need to do. Again, you'll be creating a class appreciation of beauty slideshow. Okay, boys and girls, you're going to take a look around your house or outside with your parents' permission. And of course, what do you see that is beautiful? I want you to find something or someone that, in your opinion, is beautiful and take a picture of it. Okay, boys and girls. Then you need to have a grown up help you upload the picture into your Google Slides. Once you have uploaded your picture, you're going to insert it into your slide. And then finally, boys and girls, you need to explain in a sentence why you think the picture is beautiful. So, again, let me just show you, boys and girls, how to first of all, and how to showing your parents how to upload a picture into Google Slides. It's very, very simple and easy. And then I'm just going to give everyone a friendly reminder on how to access this slideshow, even if you didn't finish it on, say, Wednesday, Thursday, boys and girls. So Miss Laspiza has her pictures already sent to her email, and I downloaded them, boys and girls. Once your parents have done that, in order to insert the picture, it's very, very easy. So make sure you put your name on your slide that you want to have. Again, you boys and girls, make sure you're mindful of everyone else's slides, and please, you can always look at them, but don't touch their work. Okay, so I'm going to put Mrs. Laspiza. And then I'm going to insert my picture into this box. The way you do that, boys and girls, is you click on Insert, Image, and then you need to upload from the computer. Okay, a window will pop up, boys and girls, of things that are on your parents' computer, and then you're going to find your image. So here is Miss Laspiza's image. If you notice, it's right here. It's very small, but you can adjust it and make it larger. And then what I'm going to do is in here, erase all the green words, but I need to explain why I think that this picture is beautiful. So I'm going to start off here by erasing these words and saying, in my opinion, I think that this picture of sunflowers are beautiful because, and then in a complete sentence, make sure you explain why you think they're beautiful, boys and girls, or why you consider this picture to be beautiful. I consider sunflowers to be beautiful because they sunflowers point towards the sun and have beautiful colors. Okay, boys and girls. And then again, I'm going to make this just a little bit larger. And there is my slide. So again, you boys and girls, again, are going to find your picture and insert it into the slide. I'll also have another 2 examples on here for you boys and girls too. Just as another friendly reminder, boys and girls, in order to access this Google slide, again, you don't need a new one, boys and girls, on, say, Thursday or Friday if you were working on it. You go to your cubes here. Please make sure you're also signed into your own Google. Once you click on the cubes, click on Drive, and then you, boys and girls, will be in your own Google Drive. It'll be right here, boys and girls, for you. If it's not there, you can always type it in, appreciation of beauty, okay? It'll pop up here. Or you could type in beauty underscore Wispiza. And there it is. Okay, boys and girls? So again, please make sure you insert your own picture and explain why you think it's beautiful. I hope everyone enjoys this assignment, and I cannot wait to see everyone's pictures of what they think is beautiful. Have fun with this assignment, boys and girls. Bye.